Here I have ZTE Axon 20 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to press combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and after that screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. So one last time, volume down plus power key, and that's how you can easily take screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots section. And here they are. And from here you can share. From here you can share, edit, search with Google Lens, or delete your screenshots, or perform some of these actions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.